Hi sweeties, I hope you're doing well. In today's video, as you can see on the title, we'll be trying new products that I've got. First of all, I got this by Halifornia. This is pretty comfortable, it's pretty soft, and it's super big, and I love it. I will use it a lot. You will see it on my Insta stories when I'm at home and when I'm working out, sorry. And well, let's get started. The first product that we will try is the ColourPop No Filter Stick. This is the foundation stick by ColourPop and we will be trying it today. This is the medium 90 in warm. We'll be trying the Joa Beauty lipstick collection, which are these ones. This was gifted by influencer, and they came with this color squad. And you also I would like to let you know more about this product because I want you to know it is cruelty free, which is great. Is moisturizing, is argan oil infused. It says it's highly pigmented, and it says that it is all day comfort. They come with 20 colors. You can see them in here. I want to get more because I want to try them. I will leave the link on the description if you want to get them. They are $6.50 each, and also I will leave their social media if you want to get some products. They are they're Korean beauty, and they came in this cute little box. It was like this and super cute. I really like the box, and I'm saving it because I know that this will work great for some pictures of products, and I will use it a lot. That's all. Let's get started. First of all, let's prime. I'm gonna put some Neutrogena Hydro Boost the Water Gel on my face and my e.l.f. hydrating primer. And to let you know, this is cruelty free and I don't see anything else about this, but what says on the box, it is cruelty free, and that's what I care most about. I'm gonna do my foundation as I always do. We will start with the brush and then with the beauty blender. What I don't know is I should swipe it or I should go with the brush straight again. I'm gonna try first swapping the foundation. I want to see if it is easy to blend, if the coverage is good. As I know, stick foundations are pretty full coverage, so I want to check if I am expecting that. I want to check if it is easy to blend, because from my models I have seen that it is kind of difficult, and well, doing this I noticed that yes, it's kind of complicated blended. That's why I'm gonna apply it in the brush because I think it is better. Also, as I have dry skin, I know that these ones are gonna work good on me. However, some parts of my face, like here, this part of my face gets kind of oily in here and also in here. So I hope it is not super oily. However, I'm gonna set everything. I don't want it to be like super oily. However, it doesn't feel like that. It feels pretty matte. Oof, the coverage is amazing. That's what I want. Okay, perfect. For now, my first thoughts is that it is not super red, super oily. It doesn't feel like that. It feels pretty good. And Well, for now I like it. I will, as I take a lot of time to do my makeup, I will wait until then to check if my face gets super oily and everything. Okay, so I did my contour, blush, highlighter. What I haven't done are my lips and my lashes. So we're gonna start with the swaps. I think that I will finish with this for the eye look that I did. However, I'm gonna try them all. The name of this one is Swipe Right. Allow me a moment while I clean this because I don't want to manchar my fucking face. Yes, they are pigmented, as we expect to be. They're kind of, they have some shimmer. Yes, they feel moisturizing. They don't feel like. I think that they are with a velvet finish, not super matte, but not glossy either. And I like that because my lips are super dry. Even you can see some of the dryness of my lips in here. However, this lipstick, I think they like uh, they cover that pretty well. Now this one is Soul Sister. Okay, this one is with one swap of focus. This one is with one swap, and here I have two. So you can see it is pigmented, it is really good, and with this one I really like it too. However, I did this eye because I wanted to be like soft, glam, like a quiet eye look, and it's weird because that's not me. But let me know what you think. And the last one is Adulting. I really like this color because I have lots of red lipsticks, but not this one, which is a pretty cool toned one. It's pretty pigmented, as you can see. With one swipe, it's already pretty red. With one swipe it's perfect. Even if you start putting more, it looks the same. It doesn't look more red or anything. I really like this one, and I think that my lips looks so much bigger with this one. I love them. So yes, I love this one. However, as it is not completely matte, of course it goes right away in here. Oh, it looks so cute. Okay, I'm gonna use Swipe Right. Okay, now I'm gonna do my lashes. I'm not gonna put falsies because I don't feel like I like to. Also, to let you know, the foundation is pretty good. I don't feel oily at all. However, well, I have some breakouts in here. I don't know if you can see them. Like in here. Focus. I have some breakouts in here. Well, even in here, it covered it really well. But the ones in here, for example, and in here didn't cover it a lot. Well, it has a lot of coverage, but when you start with the concealer and then with the powder and then with the contour, blush, highlighting, it starts everything to go out. So I don't like that much. I think I use powder things to do my blush, my highlighter, but imagine using a contour stick. It will be like lost the foundation, because the foundation starts to going everywhere when you use cream contour sticks and that kind of things. So if you want me to try new products that you want to check if they are good or not, or you need a review, let me know on the comment section, and I will be glad to get those products and try them. Cause I always try to use new things. However, if I don't know if they exist, I can't. So if you let me know, I can buy them and try it, and if I love it, I will let you know. And I of course review it and here and let you know on my Insta stories each time that I use it and everything. Well, sweeties, that was all for today's video. Hope you really like it. Uh, Also, if you want to know, I don't remember how much is the ColourPop no filter stick. I think it is $10, $12. I don't remember. However, the Joa Beauty Color Squad lipsticks are $6.50 each. $6.50 each. And well, that's all for today's video. Hope you like it. Please remember to subscribe and click on the ring bell in order for you always to know when I upload a new video. Follow me on my social media. It will be down in the description of this video. Well, see you later. Love ya.